Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Sudoku Heavy. In today's newspaper of Friday, yes, it's Friday, April the 14th, 2023, and I've already solved one regular puzzle. Well, this Sudoku Light, I gave this one 3 stars. Yeah, need more than 15 minutes. Well. In this daily newspaper we have an additional with extra puzzles. Yeah, the additional is back. The last 3 days we have no extra puzzles, no additional. I think we have the Easter holiday, so that's why we have no extra puzzles, but it's back with extra puzzles. Alright, let me start with this one. Sudoku Heavy number 6272. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But when you compare this Sudoku Heavy with 25 printed digits with the puzzles in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 3 stars? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, we have here 2 2s, 2 3, 3 3s, 1 4, 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 8, 4 8s, alright. 4 9s, so the 8s and the 9s are majority. Can I start with 8? That's the question. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8. No, cannot continue with 8. Let me try with the 9. 9 9, okay. 9 9, okay. 9 9. Here we have a 9. That means here we need a 9. Can it be 9 here? 9 9. That means here need a 9 here. Okay. Well, the 9, it's complicated, but let me show you. In this column, the middle column, we have 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this first row, no 9 in this box. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 in that box. And we have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in that box. So in the middle column, the only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. Alright. Here we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so no column with 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. Here 9, here 9. That means in this row we need a 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. Here 9 in the third column, no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 9 there. So the 9 in this row could be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay, 9 9 9 9. We have a pair. 7 and a 9 in the first row, 7 and a 9 in the second row. So third row, the only two places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. 5, 5, 3, 3. Alright. 2, 2. 2, 3. Oh, no. 3, 3. 3, 3. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, another 6 in this column. So no 6 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6. 3, 3. Come on. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the first column, so no 3 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes and there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes are reserved for the 7 and the 9. Okay. 6, 6. 5, 5. Oh! 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. Here, 5 in the second row, no 5 in that box. So one box left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4, the 6, 4, the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2, 2. Alright. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And nope, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay, 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and that. 2 and then. Well, we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 in this column, the 1 and the 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. Well. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. But the 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2. 2, 7, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6, 6. 6 and the 7. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number in the second column is number 7. Well, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this column. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6, 6, 4. 1, 5, 4, 4, 4. 1, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 2. Either one. Yeah, 8, 8. 8, 8. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Need a 1. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, here, or there. So we have a 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle row. So this box can be 1 in the middle. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5 then. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this middle row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, I see another 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5 and the 1. 5, 1 and the 8. 5 and 5. 4. Need a 4 there. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4, the 5, 4, the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6, 7, and 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in the third column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7, so 1 digit left in this big square. For number 2, here also 6 and 7. 2, 2, yeah. 2, 2. And 8, 8. Need an 8 here, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this row could be here, could be there. We see another 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright, 1 and a 5. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The other pair in this big square, numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 6 and 4 is missing here. 4, 4. 7, 7. Come on. 6 and I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 6. We already have a 6 here in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. So now 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Yeah, I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 in this column. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and 7, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, now only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last one, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have 1 in the last one, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Yeah. Let me give this a 2 stars. 20 minutes, well. Troubles with the first one, maybe I'm too sleepy to solve that puzzle, the Sudoku like, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Bye bye for now.